I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will learn a new technique of multiplying mixed fractions. So we need to multiply mixed fractions 2 3 over 4 times 1 2 over 3. The technique here is to add partial sum, partial areas of rectangles. We know product of length and width gives us area, right? So we can treat one dimension as length, the other time as width. So when you multiply length and width of a rectangle, you get area, and finding that area can represent the product of these two mixed fractions. That is what we are trying to do here, right? So let us take 2 3 over 4 as length of the rectangle. So how do you draw that? So let's say 2 3 over 4. So 1/4 is minimum unit, so we'll go by 1/4. So 1 2 3 4, that means 1. 1 2 3 4 means 2. 1 2 3, so 3/4, right? So that is how we can have 2 3 over. So this is 2 wholes, and then we have 3/4, correct? So let me write here. So we have the dimensions of this rectangle as, here this is 2 and this one is 3 over 4, correct? So that becomes 2 3 over 4 as length of the rectangle, right? Now we'll treat width as 1 2 over 3. So when we have 1 2 over 3, each division should be 1/3. So that becomes 1 and 1 and 2. So that is 2/3. So that is how we can get the width, right? So that is the width for us. Now in this width we have 1 and this is 2 over 3, correct? Now let's complete this rectangle, and then we will see how to find area of the rectangle using fractions, correct? So that is the exercise for us. So let us now divide this, draw these lines. So once you draw this, you divide this rectangle into 4 different rectangles. So these are your 4 different rectangles. Adding area of these 4 will give us area of the total rectangles. That is the concept, and that is why we say sum of partial areas. I hope now everything is clear. So we are trying to find product of mixed fractions, and we are using the strategy of sum of partial areas, right? So what is the area of this particular rectangle? 1 times 2, right? So we have 1 times 2, which is 2. Area of this rectangle is 2 over 3 times 2, which is 4 over 3, right? Now area of this will be 1 times 3 over 4. So let me write 3 over 4 here, and for this is 2 over 3 times 3 over 4. So whenever you multiply fractions, you have to multiply numerator with numerator. 2 times 3 is 6, and denominator with denominator, getting 12. But what you could also do here, let me write here 6 over 12 first, then you simplify this, is better. So 6 over 12 could be written as half, correct? So we get half as the area of this small triangle. So the area of this small rectangle, right? So total area for us will be adding areas of each one of them. So 2 3 over 4 times 1 2 over 3 could be written as 2 plus 4 over 3 plus 3 over 4 plus half, correct? So that is how you can add them up. As you can see, these are different denominators, and their common denominator is 12, right? So taking 12 as the common denominator, we can write their numerators as, so common denominator is 12 for us. So this becomes 4 times 4, 16. So here we have to multiply by this number by 3, so it becomes 9, and here we have to multiply by 6, correct? So we get 2 plus, let's add them up, right? 16 plus 6 is 22, 22 plus 9 is 31, right? So we get 31 over 12. Now 31 could be written as, 12 goes 2 times, right? 2 times 12 is 24. So 24, when you take away from 31, you get 7. So you get 7 over 12. So you could write this as 2 plus 2 is 4, 7 over 12, right? So 4, 7 over 12 is the addition of all these areas, correct? So that becomes the answer for us. So this is equals to 4, 7 over 12. So that is how you can find area of a rectangle, and then that area represents you product of mixed fractions, correct? So that is how you should be doing it. Now as an exercise, you can answer these questions. First question, find the number of squares. Find the number of squares and explain why you have those many squares in this big rectangle, right? So that is your question from this video. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.